For any woodworker, the right power tools are game changers. The miter saw delivers precise angled cuts, perfect for frames and molding. When you need long, straight cuts, the table saw is your workhorse, ripping through boards with ease. For a flawless finish, the orbital sander smooths away imperfections, preparing the surface for staining or painting. And to add that custom detail, the router shapes beautiful edges and creates intricate designs. These tools transform raw lumber into finished craftsmanship,